Cold Steel Pro Lite. This is a clip point model. It's got a thumb stud. It has the famous triad lock. Now the handle is GFN. That is glass-filled nylon. Right, so you see the thumb stud opens very smoothly. It's a slim design. It is a beautiful day at the creek, and we've got a lot of leaves, fall leaves. I like getting out here, testing out some blades. Now the best thing about this is the price. This was $28. $28. Alright, so this is a budget play, definitely. I'll include links below the video. So when I first got this knife, I did the old paper test, so let me roll in that footage, and we'll also get an official weight on this knife. Let's see here. Wow. This has a very high degree of initial sharpness. Good job by Cold Steel. And let's get an official weight on this knife. We've got 3.22 ounces. Let's change the unit. 91.2 grams. Okay, YouTube, we are back. So yeah, this is very light, very sharp. I think this is an excellent beater knife. Okay, here it is cutting a few things. We got the seatbelt type material. Just pushes right through easily. Got a little piece of wood here, just gonna whittle on it. Now, this steel, this is 4116 Krupp. To me, for this price point, that is an ideal steel. If you're going to go with an inexpensive steel, I prefer that one, right? Because I have a lot of experience with that steel. It's used in a lot of kitchen cutlery, and one reason that it is favored is because it's very easy to resharpen and it takes a very sharp edge. I have a few other cold steels that are that steel, and it's just a very good steel for this price point. Alright, so you see we whittled a little pointy piece of wood. Here's a piece of a box. So you can use this as a utility knife if you need to. Alright, YouTube, here's the pocket clip in action. Got it in the front pocket there. Seems to work okay. There's a close-up of that clip for you. And as you can see, this is made in Taiwan for Cold Steel. So you mean they took that German Krupp steel and they shipped it over there on a boat to Taiwan so that they could then put this together? Yes, just for you, just for you. That triad lock just gives you such an advantage in terms of lockup and security. Yesterday we had some just deathly cold wind. Today it's freaking beautiful. Look at that. What more could you ask for? Sharp, pointy things, and the wonder of nature. I think if you're in the market for a mid-sized beater knife, a folder, this would serve you very well. I mean, the price was right, they did the grind right, the edge, it's attractive, it's just a good idea. I mean, $28, I feel this was a bargain.